Hey guys, so I did my nails. Let me do this. I did my nails a few days ago, but I hit this one in my car door and I was like, that's it, all nails are coming off. So we're gonna take them off, and I'm probably gonna do them shorter so it's easier for me to work with them, because I really like using my hands. So we're gonna try to remove them. These are polygel nails. They're not perfect, but hey. Okay, one nail off. Oh, wow. All right, so I'm back. I'm gonna put this on so that I don't breathe all this nail stuff in. All right. Ow, this actually hurts. It's just taking too long. Well, I have this bowl right here. I think I'll just put my fingers in acetone. I don't know if this is even the correct bowl, but that's what we're gonna use with the acetone. Can you see it? Doesn't look perfect, but we're gonna work on it. So here's my alcohol. We're gonna wipe it. Okay. Yeah, they're not, so we're gonna have to cut this one shorter. Okay. And now we just file. Can you see? This is what I've got so far. I think this is my best set ever. everybody's quarantining going? Is that even a word? Ooh, that one's crooked. That one's crooked. This one's pretty. This one's okay. This one's nice, but these two are crooked. I think it's also the lighting. No, they're crooked. Now I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!